How to hide your Snapchat score. Snapchat scores are a way to measure your activity on the app. But not everyone likes to share this information. If you are one of those people who prefer to keep your Snapchat score private, here is a simple guide to help you hide it. First, launch the Snapchat app on your smartphone. And then tap on the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner to access your profile. On this page, you can see your Snapchat score. So those Snapchat scores are the snaps that you have sent or received on the Snapchat. To hide it from your friends, you can simply scroll down to your friends list and tap on My Friends. Here you can either remove or block that particular friend with whom you don't want to show your Snapchat score. Simply tap and hold that particular friend and tap on Manage Friendship. You can block by tapping on Block or Remove Friend. If you block that person, then they will prevent or blocking will prevent them from seeing any of your activity, including your score. So let's tap on Block. Alternatively, you can make your account more private by adjusting your privacy setting. For that, let's go back from this My Friends page and tap on the gear icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll a bit down to Privacy Control and then you can adjust settings like Contact Me and View My Story to My Friends. So let's tap on Contact Me and tap on Friends. Select OK bottom and come back to the same page. Select View My Story and you can choose Friends Only or Custom as per your choice. Once you have done that, you will successfully hide your Snapchat scores on a Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Subscribe and press the notification bell for more tech and tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.